Hello, hi, I am Nurul Amira Atikah, and today you will stay with me to hear about the importance of our Biowalk in UMT. Many wonder what is the purposes of this video. This video have objective to disseminate to UMT citizens about the importance of our Biowalk that have been neglected. Importance? In Biowalk, are we talking about the same Biowalk in UMT? The answer is yes. Our Biowalk. Do you know that Biowalk included in ecosystem services? Ecosystem services are many variety benefits to human provided by the natural environment and health ecosystem, which is consists of 4 ecosystem: provisioning, regulating, supporting, and cultural. Provisioning service, what is that? Provisioning service are ecosystem services that describe the material or energy output from ecosystem, including foods, water, and other resources. Familiar with this tree? This tree is called earleaf acacia. In industry, acacia have been introduced as a timber tree in plantation for the pulps and paper industry. Second, coconut tree. Coconut tree is well known as a tree of life because its versatility, where we can benefit from all parts of the tree. This coconut tree provides provisioning service where it provides fiber from the fruit meat, milk, oil, and water. Meanwhile, the husk and leaf can be used as material to make variety of products from furnishing and decoration. Here is some of plants that actually a provisioning service also, which is palas and mengkuang. Moving forwards for regulating service. Regulating service is the service that ecosystem provide by acting as regulator, including pollination, decomposition, water purification, erosion, and flood control, and also carbon storage and climate regulation. In Biowalk, the tree dares provide shades with influence rainfall and water availability. Those trees also play an important role in regulating air quality by removing pollutants from the atmosphere. This is why the Biowalk always chills and have fresh air, especially in the... What? Biowalk also provide erosion prevention and maintain soil fertility? How? The answer is mangrove. As we can see, there are hundreds of mangrove trees in Biowalk, and for the knowledge, mangrove provide natural infrastructure and protection to nearby polluted area, preventing erosions and absorbing storm surge impact during extreme weather. Their roots help bind and build soils, while their above roots slow down the water flow and encourage sediment deposits that reduce the erosion. This complex mangrove roots system filter nitrates, phosphate, and other pollutants from the water and improve the water quality. You can look at the photos. This is what happened a few years back due to erosion, and UMT also not excluded from this natural disaster. During the worst monsoon in 2014 to 2015, we have lost the hidden gem of UMT, which is our private beach that have been washed away by the surface runoff and erosion. Actually, there is more regulating service that need to discuss in our Biowalk. But moving forward, there is other services which is supporting. In this ecosystem, Biowalk provide habitats for species where organism needs for survive, which is food, water, and shelter. Each ecosystem provide different habitats that can be essential for species life cycle. We can find many species in Biowalk such as crab, monitor lizard, insects, snails, bird, and many more. Here are some examples. Last but not least, cultural services. Cultural services included the non-material benefits that people obtain from contact with ecosystem and nature, including aesthetic, spiritual, and psychological benefits. Walking in green spaces is not only a form of physical exercise, yet also let people relax. After a whole day class long, students tend to feel tired and depressed with the pressure from study and classes. The role of green spaces like Biowalk plays in mental and physical health is increasingly being recognized despite the difficulty of measurement. Being around nature on way back to hostel can help to find peace and relax, with the green infrastructure and the sounds of wave really comfort students who are well known with the hectic schedule. There is more to talk about our Biowalk, but we are already at the end of the video. So, in conclusion, we actually need to open our eyes to appreciate and finally realize what around us. We tend to take things for granted since it still exists and easily accessed, but